Becky! What's going on?
Just checking the footy scores.
So, we've just turned the Jenny on because we want to turn on this 8,000 Lumi.
8,000
Lumi.
God knows what that means.
We went to Bunnings, we needed some lighting, so yeah, we got the biggest one in regards to lumens. So we've called the lumens.
I reckon that's top of the range.
Let's go turn this. Let's see how much it lights up. It better be good. Turn that one off. Oh jeez. Oh, she's bright.
She's a Lumi.
She's illuminated.
Then you can just do these ones.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez, lights up the whole campsite.
That's the thing about the generator, like, it's a bit of rubbish to carry around, but at the end of the day, when you're trying to charge camera gear, drones, your phones, all that sort of stuff, the generator has been probably one of the best things we've bought, really. Just does everything. It's gone everywhere. You got to carry a little bit of fuel and stuff, but it runs for ages, doesn't it?
It does.
Seriously. Probably only need about 5 litres of fuel of unleaded, and it keeps going. So,
and the Honda's pretty quiet, this one. I was pretty surprised with it.
Look how close it is.
Yeah, you can't really even hear it.
The waves more than that.
And yeah, the 8,000 lumens is lighting up the campsite quite well, isn't it? Oh jeez.
Seriously, the reason why we got it is because we want to fish down to the beach tonight, and we could even take it down a bit further.
Yeah, we'll light up quite a fair bit later on tonight.
Waiting on change of tide, which is around 10:30 or something.
Oh, it's 11:30, but we'll start up probably half an hour or so before.
Yeah, 100%. So it's right at about high tide at the moment. It's starting to flatten out a little bit. So I tell you what, I reckon we're in for a treat tonight. I reckon we're going to catch a few gummies.
Oh, that'd be great.
And like I said earlier, we've bought a 7-foot Rottweiler off this beach. There's a lot of sharks out there, so it can be fun, but it also can be quite daunting if you've got a paddle baits out there, which we're not going to do today.
No.
But yeah,
all good. Cheers. There's some crackers here. We're going to
How about we'll get out of the smoke, mate.
Yeah.
And because you know what's happening right here. We left Mick to look after the fire. Nothing against Mick. He's a bloody beauty when you go camping, but sometimes he just needs to back the truck up. Anyway, Des is cooking us a salura.
Asado. Mate, you're going to get it right one day.
Asado.
Asado.
Saldo.
So this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
So you got your bone there, and you got a piece of meat, and then some fat on either side. So these are quite little.
Yep.
Usually they're quite larger than these ones. A bit larger than these, but we've got a few racks here, so we'll put them on. Just salt on there.
Yeah.
I'll probably have the salt on for about 40 minutes. Like that.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
How long do you cook them for, mate? Yeah.
About 40 minutes. Depends. Half an hour, 40 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Depends on how quick you want to cook it.
Is this something you traditionally have in Uruguay?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, okay.
It's always a staple. We eat meat, so
it's a bit of an appetizer, or is it?
No, it's a main meal. So
yeah, okay.
It's not an appetizer. This is for we just eat meat.
And you just have that.
A lot of the times we just do.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have like a potato salad or something like that. But
yeah.
It's just the meat. So,
nice one.
We'll do a treat later on. So put these ones on. These will probably cook a little bit quicker because they are quite thin. So I'll just keep an eye on them to make sure we don't cook them too quick.
Yeah. You're going to put some oil through there, or?
Nah, just standard there. That should be all right.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to tell you how to do your job, mate, but I would personally, crackers would put a little bit of oil over the top of that, mate. That's generally how we do it in Australia. We just we douse it a little bit with oil. That way it's not going to stick to the plate. Right?
Put some oil.
Yeah,
usually when we cook it, it's like a mesh.
Right. Yeah.
Because there's so many years cooking on it,
You don't need
it
it.
has its own oil, so you're
Yeah.
probably right. I should put
Yeah.
them on because that's I've never cooked on that, but it should still be okay. So we might just put a little bit of oil. Just like
Yeah,
that.
I think it might be a good idea, mate.
Just today it's all about meat, isn't it?
100%, mate.
We
it's
smashed
what-
through that chicken roast. That was marvellous.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try something a bit different.
Well, it's always good to learn different cultures, and you know, everyone eats different types of food, and I love the Uruguayan style, the Spanish feast. Fantastic,
Yeah,
mate. And perhaps you can give the viewers a bit of an insight into a little bit of Spanish commentary, bud. What do you think?
In Spanish, they won't know what I'm talking about.
That's okay, mate. Just throw it out there, because you never know.
Para todos los uruguayos que están allá en Uruguay o acá en Australia también, vamos a enseñarle a este australiano cómo cocinar y enseñarle un poco de lo que es Uruguay, un poco asado y a ver si le gusta, ¿no? Vamos. Yeah.
Look, how good's that?
I was just telling him,
I understood, mate. You don't need to tell me, mate. I understood every bloody word you said.
We're going to teach the Aussies how to cook.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay, is that how it is? So I back him up and he shoots me down. That's how he rolls. Nice. One thing I'll give you, mate, you speak a lot better Spanish than what you do
Yeah,
English.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Even though I was born and raised here,
Yeah.
yeah, for sure. Estamos listos para comer ahora. Crackers, ¿estamos listos? ¿Sí? Are we ready to eat?
Oh, 100%, mate.
Yeah.
I thought you were having a go at me there for a second, Brother Fox.
I'm just trying to teach you some Spanish, mate.
Yeah, fair enough.
Un poquito de asado para comer. Un poquito de asado. Alright. I think this is the first time I actually cook it in the bush.
Really?
Yeah.
No way. Des. Mick,
Yeah, mate.
great salad, bud.
Oh, thanks. I'm
You did
pretty
well.
good at salads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a tone salad, or what have we got there?
It was a bag. It had some lettuce in it. I tipped it in.
Yeah.
And then I put some tomato and carrot,
Don't underestimate your talents, mate.
olive oil
'Cause
and vinegar,
I think you got more.
and some bit of salt.
I think you got. I think you're playing it down a little bit, mate. Just the way that you did it.
Oh, avo. There's avo in there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all right. Someone won't be able to afford a house these days because we've just eaten another avocado. But
100%.
it's all good.
100%.
It's all good.
That's the Gen Y problem of this world, isn't it?
I know. It's not smashed. It's not on toast, but you know, it's an avocado all the same.
It's like clockwork here. The boys have been hard at it. I've been busting my guts getting all the firewood and all that sort of stuff.
He's been watching the footy, mate. He's been watching the Cats. They're going to lose tonight against Port, so
is that how it goes?
yeah, they're rubbish, mate. They're rubbish.
Yeah. Well, there's the meal, boys.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you got there?
It's asado and it's salad.
Oh, right. So why do you need a machete to cut your asado?
Asado.
Asado.
You'll get it. You'll freaking get it. I'll have to write it out for you.
Well, I might have to get it with me waving a knife around like that. Seriously. Well, Mum's spit roast on Sunday used to just do me, and we usually just use like normal knife and fork. But who am I to judge? I'm just crackers.
Tell us something.
Especially when you're throwing an knife around like that. Good old Des. No doubt about it. If he doesn't do things in halves,